Hello everybody, my name is Rebecca Clark from Quantum Reading Learning Vision, and today I'd like to talk to you about this device, which is the Pearl camera. Okay, so this is the Pearl camera scanner. So it's an L shape with the camera arm coming up over the top. It's got a base which is the width of an A4. It simply plugs into your Windows computer, and you can scan things in using the OpenBook, Fusion or JAWS software. So you simply put whatever you're trying to scan underneath and press, in the case of OpenBook, press the space bar. It will make a camera sound. Welcome to Quantum Reading Learning, and then start reading straight away. So you can have your text read aloud. And we'll talk about OpenBook in another video. It then simply folds down. So we've got little yellow buttons here. I simply push in to close it down. Another one at the bottom to fold it up. And then the base simply twists around. So that just folds down like that. And there you have it. And it has a carry case that it comes in. So that's the Pearl camera. If you'd like to have a proper look at it, call us on 1300 883 853.